In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Spotify on all devices. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your mobile device. Now go to spotify.com. Now tap on three horizontal lines at the top right side, and from here tap on login. Just enter your email and password to log in to the Spotify. Just make sure that you are logged in to the account from which you wish to sign out. Once you logged in, just tap on gear icon at the top right side. From the available options, tap on View Account. Now on this account settings page, just scroll down and under Security and Privacy, you will find an option Sign Out Everywhere. Just tap on Sign Out Everywhere. On the next page, you will get a button Sign Out Everywhere. Just tap on this button. And when you tap on this button, this will log you out of Spotify everywhere you are logged in, including mobile, tablet, web player and desktop apps. So that is how you can sign out of Spotify on all devices. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.